Hey guys, this is Lilith with Seasoned Delicious Foods, and I'm here to tell you about our double Burna hot sauce today from our Mama Blossoms line. This is our hottest hot sauce. It's made from 3 of the hottest peppers in the world: habanero, scorpion, and ghost pepper. It also has mushroom in there to kind of balance out that heat. It's really lovely if you want to dilute it to take away that heat but still have a lot of that flavor. So if you take 1 part of this sauce and dilute it with 3 parts water, you get a really lovely marinade that you can use for absolutely anything. You also have coconut oil, Himalayan salt in here, and all that good stuff, 100% vegan and non-GMO.